All right, pre-calculus 21.1, number 6, homework question. Determine the second and third terms of an arithmetic sequence if. Okay, so we know we need the second term and the third term, and we know that it's arithmetic. So the difference in between all the terms is going to be constant. Okay? So there's a couple different ways you could do this. For me, the first way, that maybe the most obvious way, would be just writing out the list, sort of like this. You've got 6 as your first term, right? The fourth term is 33, so second term we don't know, third term we don't know, fourth term 33. Does that look good? Now this is one of the ways, kind of like intuition or whatever, logical reasoning, whatever. There's not too many spaces there, so it's pretty easy for us to understand that we have one common difference, two common differences, three common differences equals the difference between 33 and 6, or 27. Okay? So that means that the common difference is 27 divided by 3 is 9. Let's check that out. If we add 9 to 6, we get 15. If we add 9 to 15, we get 24. If we add 9 to 24, we should get 33. Everything's matching up. Okay? That's one way you can do that, and that's probably the way that I would default to right away. Any questions on that? Probably A wasn't the one you had trouble with, right? Could your common difference be a decimal? Yeah, could. Okay, not a problem. Okay? Let's take a look at number 5 then. So for A, 170 is going to be the term over here on the left side. That's T of something. That's one of the terms in the sequence. So we know what T of 1 is. It's -4. So remember, T of n equals T1 plus n minus 1 times D. That's what we're going for. 170 is the term in question. We don't know what the n is though. So that's why we have to leave this n as unknown. The difference we can easily find by subtracting any two numbers in the sequence. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus -4 is positive 6. Okay? So you can find the difference just from what you're given there. So if you set up the equation, you'll have one unknown. Again, we'll knock some rust off if we really need to. A couple different ways you could do this. Let's add 4 first. I'll do it this way. 174 equals n minus 1 times 6. Now you could expand the right side of this equation and get 6n minus 6 and go that way, or save yourself some work. You could divide this by 6 right here and get rid of this. You can do that first as well, which, I don't know if some of you want to do that, but so, and don't be afraid to use your calculator to do this. It's 29. So 29 equals n minus 1. Now we add 1 to both sides, and we get n equals 30. That means that 170 is the 30th term. Okay, 30th term. If you want to keep adding 6 to this list until you get to 170, yes, you could, but it'd be easier to use that formula. Okay? I don't know if I'm talking too fast here this morning. Here's the thing. Watch the video again if you need to, I guess. A. B, I have a whole other lesson to do today, so trying to cover as much as I can. So if I'm going way too fast, I might have to just cut down the amount of help I can give you in class before the next lesson. So you guys give me some feedback on that. But anyways, I'll post this video if you want to watch this stuff again and other homework questions. You can access that.